Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna be telling y'all how I do my intros or whatever, like, cause y'all be asking and I be telling and y'all don't get it. So I just go and get like a background. I search it on Google Images, pick something that I like, and I save the image. So once you save the picture to your little camera roll, you want to open iMovie, and every iPhone has this. So you want to create your movie, but you got to make sure that that picture that you saved will be saved as like a little mini video, and I only save it for like 15 seconds. So right now you see me struggling trying to find the stupid picture that I saved. Like my phone be playing games on me, like it want to square up with me. It don't want to square up with a real one. But yeah, enjoy me struggling to find this stupid picture for like 3 minutes. So I finally got that and saved the little thing to my iMovie, and now I'm opening up Pocket Video. So right here I'm just showing y'all that how to add your little green screen effect so you can get the subscribe buttons and all the different buttons there are, and yeah. So after that's done, I'm basically just doing like a test intro, like an intro that, you know, I wouldn't really use this as my intro because this is only for video purposes, but you guys see me just making it my own, adding a few pictures and making sure when I want them to cue in and when I want them to go out and stuff like that. So basically you just have to work with the app and make it your own and try and error first. So what might work for me may not work for you. You just got to play around with it and find out what works for you. So I decided not to really add that period mark because it didn't really go with what I was trying to do, but I'm just trying to show y'all like the different stickers and stuff that you can add to your post and whatnot to make it look all cute, whatever. But you guys see that wasn't it, so I just exited it. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all how everything looks, putting things together, showing y'all where the placements and seeing if stuff looks good to me. It looks all right for the purpose of this video. But yeah, I hope this helps with you guys who are asking me how I do mine. And yeah, it's iMovie and Pocket Video is what I personally use. Okay, so how I get like my music or whatever, I always use instrumental versions or like type of beats videos, or not the real version of songs, because you know YouTube be copyright and stuff. But I do go on YouTube. I got the Megatron instrumental and with the hook, so it's blah, da, 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 or whatever. Showing you that now. So you want to screen record that or whatever song you want to get and go to your moments. Click on your screen record video and only click the option that says audio only. And then you want to add that to the background for your little intro and song. And that's how I be able to have it on my songs.